By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, I hereby declare the Philippines-United States Balikatan Exercise 39-2024 closed, effective this date. Thank you.
Opisyal nang nagtapos ang 39th iteration ng Balikatan Exercise sa pagitan ng Sandataang Lakas ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos ngayong araw. April 22, nagsimula ang balikatan kung saan tumagal ito ng 18 araw. Nasa 5,000 Pilipinong sundalo ang nakibahagi, 11,000 tauhan naman mula sa US, mula sa iba't ibang sangay ng kanilang sandataang lakas. 150 personnel ng Australian Defence Force, 100 French Navy contingent at 14 na bansa ang naging observer sa pagsasanay.
Balikatan is a tangible and perfect demonstration of U.S. and Philippine resolve to strengthen the alliance in an increasingly complex security environment by increasing our interoperability bilaterally and lethality across the land, air, sea, space, and cyberspace domains.
Naging matagumpay ang isinagawang balikatan kung saan nagsagawa ng command and control exercise, field training exercise at humanitarian civic assistance, gaya ng maritime security operation, amphibious operation, conventional warfare, air missile defense at live fire training.
Balikatan has provided an avenue in which we continuously strive for cohesion and integration to further amplify combat readiness built on mutual confidence and respect, reaffirming our collective and shared goals of peace and stability in the region.
Ayon kay Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr., nakausap niya si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. kahapon at ipinaabot nito ang pagbati sa lahat ng naging parte ng balikatan mula sa mga sundalong Pilipino at Amerikano sa matagumpay na pagsasanay ngayong taon. Aniya, tinitingnan ng Pangulo ang full battle simulation ng balikatan sa susunod na taon.
And he looks forward to next year's exercise, which will be I believe, the full battle simulation, which will put to the test the combined capabilities in the most realistic of scenarios possible, with safety in mind.
Kaya naman ang Armed Forces of the Philippines nagsimula ng maghanda para sa susunod na balikatan. Bago pa man umalis sa bansa ang mga Amerikanong sundalo na sumabak sa 39 2024 balikatan, ay magsasagawa na ng inisyal na pagpupulong ang mga leader ng dalawang panig upang planuhin ang susunod na pagsasanay.
I believe that next year's exercise would be more complex, as mentioned by General Marvin Licudine, and I was told that starting this afternoon, they will already start the planning process for next year's Balikatan exercise.
Ayon kay Major General Marvin Licudine, Balikatan Executive Director para sa Philippine Contingent, mas challenging at komplikado ang susunod na pagsasanay.
The full battle test would mean a test of every capability that we have, not necessarily firing everything, but a test of the operations, a test of our integration as a combined and joint force, the interoperability that we had. Those are what we would be testing for next year.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.